We're back with Jordan. We are exploring his Veto Pac
MB3
that he uses for his refrigeration tools.
I had a big carrying case for my Testos that I use every single day, and I came across this bag, and me being a big fan of Veto, I decided that I wanted to make a refrigeration bag, a bag that I could quickly grab with a handle, very light, also easily hang up on my units, be able to get to everything that I need all in one bag. With this, of course, in the main pouch, we have the Testos with the hoses attached. That's one of the best things I would say, is I'm able to put the gauges and the hoses all in the center pouch with two small pouches that I can still fit things in inside. So that's really nice. So I still haven't even maxed out the purpose of this bag quite yet. In the front, we have this big zipper where I keep a lot of miscellaneous items. I have my nylog for sealant, Schraders, some Schrader cores, some refrigeration wrench bits that I can use to open up service valves, ports, things like that I need to work on. Then I have some extra seals for my gauges. I like to have these laying around just in case my seals go bad inside of my refrigeration gauges. This one here is a small tool for special caps that you have to get off. This is a small key that I use to get those special caps off. But it's nice having a nice clear pouch up here to use. And here I have my Testo 552i vacuum gauge, so I'll hook this up and I can pull the vacuum on my systems all on my phone. In this front pouch here, I have my refrigerant cutters, and I have two valve core removal tools. These are fantastic tools to have. This is a tool that you can change the valve core stems without pulling the entire system into a vacuum. It's fantastic. You're able to shut it off here with this small ball valve, make your adjustments, all without taking any refrigerant out of the system. That is a job that used to take us a couple hours ultimately to do. I can do now in about 5 minutes with very little loss. On the side here, I have my refrigeration wrench, a small pocket screwdriver with another valve core removal tool. I have a small extender. Sometimes you're trying to pull a vacuum or connect something in a very tight area. You need a small little extender there that you can get to. And then on the back side, I have this beautiful pouch here that I can put both of my temperature clamps for my refrigeration lines right into the back. Last but not least, I have a strap, but this is a cap key, a refrigeration cap key for 410A and R22. So I like to have that on there just in case we run into any locking caps, which is now code by our county. So we want to make sure that we can get into those and no one else. That's it. It's what we have here for the refrigeration bag.